feel just like a mob star.
Welcome back, K-Mates. I am back with another video, and I'm so sorry I've been gone for so long. I just want to apologize so bad for that, but hopefully this tutorial makes it up. Let's get started. So what you're gonna do is cut your hair in half. I use my stretching method. You can use any method that you know. I usually just pick at the ends and rotate it, but you just want the ends to be thin. So then go ahead and do like a half oval shape. Don't talk about my edges all left out. And you can do a horizontal shape at the back. You can try your best, guys. This is what you're doing to your own head. So be confident and just try your best. Take your time. Make sure you have enough time to do them. And let me try to explain this as possible, like as best as I can. So you insert the hair, flip the hair out your way, braid the hair. I just moved it. I probably should just grabbed it at this point, but I didn't. But you go ahead and just grab it and then continue to braid. I'm going to say it one more time, and if you need help, just let me know in the comment box below. But just really look up closely. Insert the hair, braid it, move the hair, braid it, and then grab the hair, braid it. This is kind of what you're going to get. Like I said, let me know in the comment box if you have any questions about this. But it's mostly visual. But you want to do it the whole time. So, okay, so when I asked for help, the disrespect I got was ridiculous. So at the end of the day, just don't ask dudes for no help on your hair. Just don't waste your time. So I went ahead and just fast forward that whole part because I don't like a long video. I definitely don't like a repetitive video. So that's pretty much all I was doing the whole time. Y'all know how the braids look, but I just want to let y'all know that y'all can do this on your own self and y'all can save so much money. And it's really easy to do. And it really looked good from this being my first time to doing these ever. So just imagine when I practice and keep doing it over and over again. I'll be a bomb on doing it on my own head. So I have some more tutorials. I want to do some sew-ins on my head and things like that. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do that. We're gonna make this work, guys. We're gonna do my own thing. We're gonna try to save money for 2018. Okay, so go ahead and braid it. If you, as you can tell, my braids is not perfect. They got so much imperfection in it, but because I did them, I know I'm confident and happy with my style because it saved me much money and it just lets me know that I can even practice on this and I won't even have that much imperfection next time I do them, and next time I do them, and next time, and next time, and next time. They'll be better and better. But I went ahead and laid my edges down. I used first the Dudley edge control that was $20. That doesn't even work that well. At first it did, but now it's starting to be too greasy for my head, and I think it's just my hair is just really trained to it now, so it don't even lay that much. So I had to go back to my got to be. But go ahead and add some accessories, lay your edges, and boil your ends, and you will be completely done with this tutorial. It's super easy and cute. So I decided to end the video off with me being outside. I put some makeup on, some earrings, some lip gloss, and I put this gold string on it, the hair. So you can do that to add. You can add those little gold beads, but I like to actually just one plain gold string. This is my first official tutorial on my natural hair, actually doing from start to finish. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that part because it was like really hard. So yeah, anyway, so if y'all want a car tour on my baby, we know. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, Carries.
I've been closing deals and getting money, man, I feel just like a mob star.